KTVU's Brooks Rose joins us live from the newsroom after speaking with members of the local LGBTQ community. Brooks.
Disappointing, heartbreaking, dangerous. That's how some in the LGBTQ community describe the High Court's ruling. They say it will bring about more incidents of harassment, intimidation, and violence. As Pride Month ends, there's a rising feeling of returning to the beginning, protest and anger over what the LGBTQ community says is outright discrimination.
We've been struggling all our lives just to be able to stand up for our rights. And what we hear today is like going backwards.
The Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that a Colorado business owner could refuse working with same-sex couples as a matter of free speech.
I think it's really against our rights for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
LGBTQ and civil rights groups call this a license to discriminate and claim the High Court has ignored years of precedent and progress for gay rights, from allowing same-sex marriage to protecting against employment discrimination.
Right now, with this ruling, there may be business owners who are anti-LGBTQ+, who think they can now have signs that say no gays or no LGBTQ+ people allowed, which, by the way, is not the case.
California is one of many states that does not allow businesses to discriminate against any protected class. Still, there's uncertainty and fear.
I'm afraid that somebody's going to discriminate me, or I feel unwanted.
I think it's horrible, and the truth is discrimination is an intrinsic part of America, and until we really get to the root of what all of this is about, which is racism, xenophobia, homophobia, transphobia, it will persist.
In San Francisco's Castro district, community and business leaders are calling on their allies to speak up and mobilize, concerned this could bring about more violence or attacks on the LGBTQ community.
For me, I've been queer and trans my whole life, and it's awful to think that I can't get served something as basic as baked goods, or let's say going in to try to get my self-care done.
Many here say this opens the door to other groups being shut out, which is why some business owners say they're prepared to serve humankind, just as they always have.
You call it life, it goes in colors, and just like it's in flavors, right? We have all the flavors, we have all the colors in my business.
California and 21 other states can still enforce non-discrimination laws, but the Supreme Court's ruling could allow businesses to discriminate against people for reasons other than sexual orientation, like religion. In the newsroom, Brooks Rose, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Yeah, major decision on this last day of the term. Brooks, thank you.